Hello, very good day to you. We have something of a three-way split in our weather at the moment. That's because we currently have a weather front lying across the UK. You can see it here, lying across central parts of England and Wales, bringing a fair bit of cloud and some rain. Meanwhile, across more southern areas, we're under the influence of this high pressure, which is why it's largely settled and quite warm. Further north, though, it's this low pressure which is dominating the picture, bringing some windy, blustery, showery weather to parts here. However, if we look out in the Atlantic, you can see we currently have two hurricanes here, and these are really going to influence our weather as we go through the weekend and into next week. Alex Deacon had more on that on the 10-day trend, so worth having a look at that if you're interested. Meanwhile, if we take a look at the earlier satellite and radar image, and you can see where that front is lying across central parts of England and Wales, bringing outbreaks of rain. Some of them have turned a little bit heavy already, and you can see plenty of showers feeding in across parts of Scotland and also Northern Ireland as well. Through the rest of Thursday then, that front really doesn't go anywhere particularly far, so staying quite cloudy and damp or wet across this central slice, some heavy rain building up over the Welsh mountains perhaps. A blustery, showery picture then across parts of Scotland, though the wind's starting to ease as we go through the afternoon. And further south, holding on to that generally fine weather, here temperatures peaking around 24, possibly 25 Celsius, so feeling quite warm in the sunny breaks. Through the end of the day, this front is gradually going to start to make its way a little bit further northwards, bringing rain to northern parts of England, southern Scotland and Northern Ireland as we go through the early hours of Friday morning. Further north, there'll still be a few showers across parts of Scotland, but the strongest winds will have cleared, still staying gusty and windy for Shetland though. In the south here, we'll hold on to some clear skies, and so temperatures will be generally a little bit lower than they have been through some recent nights. A wet start then across this area of southern Scotland, northern England and Northern Ireland, with the rain starting to build up as we go through Friday. Some heavy rain, particularly across southwest Scotland and perhaps eastern parts of Northern Ireland. Further north, a cloudier picture across Scotland compared to Thursday. Still a few showers to watch out for, but lighter winds. Whilst across central southern England and Wales, plenty of fine and at times sunny weather, and temperatures likely to be a touch higher than today. Good chance that we'll quite widely get into the low to mid-20s here. As we look ahead towards the weekend, and like I said, we could be under the influence of those hurricanes out in the Atlantic, so a bit of uncertainty, but it does look like that same front is still going to bring some rain to more northern parts as we go through Saturday, but that should clear away, and then with some very warm air coming up from the south, we have the risk of some heavy thundery downpours. Doesn't look as intense as what we saw through last weekend, but still the risk that we could have some warnings issued. So it is worth keeping up to date with the forecast wherever you are on both the Met Office website, our app and our social media channels. Bye-bye.